How to increase the saturation of a video using an Android phone. I'm opening that video using the gallery. So gallery, camera, let's say that video. To increase the saturation, tap on this pencil icon, pencil. The video was already modified a little bit, but tap on this sunshine icon, sunshine in the lower right corner. And here you can tap on these and they will move to the left, or you can move them manually until you get to this one, which is saturation. And then you can slide it to the right and the image is more colored, or slide it to the left and the image is more black and white. If you tap on the number itself, then it is being resetted back to the center. So I will increase it a little bit, let's say around 30%. And I have to tap on the save icon. So tap on save, saving the video. It's keeping an original version of the video also. The saturation was increased. So all this was done by the gallery.